So sleeping bag we have inside. So this is mat. For camping outside. This is SOS mode. This is
Hello. Hey guys. So today we are in Decathlon and we are going to introduce something about camping and trekking and hiking. Okay. So here we are with Himanshu and he will explain everything in detail. Everything you needed for camping and hiking. And please don't skip this because he is going to explain minor details. So if you are going to skip this, it is a missing. That's why I am requesting you, don't skip it if you are a serious camper, hiker and fishing.
So guys, we have like 2% tent we have. So starting is like minimum 2% tent we have. The cost of that one is 2,000 rupees, 1,999. So this model we have.
This model is
2%.
This model is 2% tent and I just went inside. It is actually quite spacious. Maybe you can go inside. Can you go inside and have a look? See the space. See, it will till reach there, like more than 7-8 feet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same one like 1,999. 2% tent.
So this is the same one which I showed. Just take it. So it's like a 2.4 kilo. Okay, it is for 3-year warranty is there. Then we can explain the details.
And this one like bottom part and upper part everything is there. So this including everything like poles is there and upper part, bottom part. This is completely waterproof and it can withstand 40 km/h wind also.
Oh, okay. It's completely waterproof and it can withstand 40 kilometer wind speed.
And this is like 3% tank. The cost of that one is 2,999.
So this is the 3% tent and that one which we showed is 2%, which is 2,000 and yeah, let's show.
So demo of this one is not there, but this will be like half bigger than this.
Oh, okay. So this will be the third one will be.
So 3% will be like half bigger than this. So it will come till here.
Oh, okay. Cool. So this is the third person bit.
3%.
Yeah.
Then we have.
Okay. So here we would like to know what is the difference between these two tents, their capacity and the features which are included in this tent.
So in this one, it is like fresh and black tent. So the technicality of this one will be like there will be cooling effect inside, and if you will close it properly at daytime, it will be completely dark inside.
Okay.
So you can sleep very peacefully in this one. And in this one, you will not get that features. And both are waterproof only.
Okay.
So the difference is cooling effect is more here.
In this one.
Okay, so it's more like a darker
exactly.
outside. Okay, so this is the
For 2%, the cost of that one is 3,499 for this, and for 3%, it is 4,499.
okay. So this is for 2%.
Yeah.
This is for 3%.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's like you can you will get the dark effect, cooling effect in cool. So these are the tents available in Decathlon. So 2%, 3%, and this one is a little fresh and black. So I will add all the links below, so you can purchase it if you.
Like 2-second tent. It is like easy to pitch.
Oh, so we are coming to another kind of tent. It's like a
2 seconds tent.
2
The price of
seconds.
This one is 4,000 rupees.
oh.
It takes like hardly 2 seconds, sir.
Okay, it's like a 2 second tent. If we open it, it will automatically.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the one. and this like this it look like, because we don't have any demo piece right now.
So these all are family tents we have. This is 4% tent. So in this one you will get like one separate living room type inside of that.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Outside you will get a space like living space you will get. So you can keep your bags or you can put mat downside.
Oh, yeah.
Here also you can sleep.
Oh, okay, okay. So it's like a family tent.
Yeah.
So with extra
Space.
Oh, okay, okay. So how many people we can stay?
Up to 4.
Up to 4 people. Okay.
And this one
And all have 3-year warranty.
Yeah.
Okay, it's written here.
3 years.
3-year warranty. Now,
This one family tent, this one is out of stock right now. But this is like a base. It's like a room set, sir. So
Oh.
door will be there, window will be there. It's
Oh.
like a
okay, okay. So this one is like a room one,
Yeah.
and it's not it's an out of stock, but you can get it in online, and it's like a room type of tent. Oh, nice, nice. So this will cost 10,000 rupees. Okay, so almost up to 6 people.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is bigger one. Bigger.
Now let's come back to the sleeping bags. So it starts with the 999, and I will show you the details.
So sleeping bag we have inside. So this is mat, insulation mat is there, and this is sleeping bag. In sleeping bag we have different models we have. I will show you there only.
Come, let's go.
This is starting basic one we have 1,000 rupees. Temperature limit for this one is 20 degrees. So this is okay for Western Ghat tracks, even for Maharashtra tracks also. So these 2 colors we have in this.
Okay, so how much weight it is? Weight listed here?
It's 755 grams.
Oh, 755 grams. 1,000 rupees. So, which is the unpacked one? This one. So this is the one.
So in this one, you can go inside of this one. Like Amit. Oh. See this. And there is one more thing. You can open it like this. So it will become like a double bed type.
Okay, nice.
Like that.
Oh, cool. So, we can make it as like a bed also. And we can make it as a sleeping bag. Then starting with 1,000 rupees, and the second one is
This one is 15 degrees Celsius temperature limit for this. The price of this one is 1299.
1299 for a single person. So difference is 15 degree.
Yeah, 15 degrees.
Okay. So this is
Lower temperature, the
Okay.
price will increase because the padding will be different, sir.
Oh, okay, okay.
Insulation padding.
So whenever we are going, if we are going for a lower temperature area, the price of this thing increases. That's why padding, there is a difference between padding also. This one is body shape. So you can explain the
So
details.
the temperature rating for this is 15 degree only. So this is like more comfortable as compared to any other. This one we have like lower temperature also. This one is for 0 degree. So if you are going to Himalaya trek and all, so you can go with this one.
0 degree one. So this one also we can make it as a bed, or it's only
this-
body shape?
Yeah, it is
Oh.
like a body shape. Both the sides zip we have.
Oh, okay. So this is mainly for very cold areas. Himalaya.
So this hammock we have. So this can withstand up to 110 kg load. So you can tie this thing in foam or trees also for camping outside. So the price of this one is 1,000 rupees.
So the price of this one is 1,000 rupees, and we can keep connect with this trees outside, and you can hang it up to 110 kilo. It will support.
All this tracking for lamps we have. So it's like this. So different models we have in this one. So this is all battery operated cells. It's like this. AA 3 batteries are there. So with new batteries, it will work for 60 hours continuously.
So 60 hours it will work. It is showing here. Just close up it. So this starts with 499 light. It will come up to 60 hours. This one for 26 hours is 100 luminous, and cost is 899 and 2%. This is a bigger one. And I think we don't have battery right now here, so
I will change the battery.
Yeah,
And this whole features are.
and we can show something else. What is this?
These are like poles we have, spare poles.
Okay, these are the
For
spare
tent
poles
only, yeah.
for the tents, which is 699. And what is this?
These are packs, so you can ground this thing in like for grounding.
Oh, the for the weight,
Yeah.
wind, all these things. Okay. What is this?
These
Same
are hooks, sideways roofs are there.
sideways. So
For
this
tenting.
we need to buy separately
No,
with
no,
the
no.
tents, or
So this will be included in the tent only.
Oh.
But if you need separate,
separate? Okay, okay. So these are included in the tent. But if you wanted something separately, you can buy all these things. What about
these
this?
are mats. Floor mats are there. For
Floor
camping,
mat.
you can.
Okay, okay. Let's open. Oh. So for the camping, floor mat. Dude, all these things you can. So this one is very lightweight item, which is when you are going for camping, trekking, fishing, you can use this for sitting on rocky surfaces. So this is the one.
Open this thing.
Oh, okay. So lightweight. Yeah. So this is the one. This will give a cushion effect, and you can carry nicely.
So in this one, 3 modes are there. This is SOS mode. This is eco mode, and this one is power. Now battery is low for this also.
Okay. SOS, Eco mode and power mode is there. Power mode is for that we need a good battery, but now it's just testing purpose, so already it's drained out. Can you take? Yeah. So this we can fold it and we can lock it here.
Like this, you can lock it and you can just carry.
Okay.
Easy carrier.
You have 3-in-1 jacket.